Feasa, the woman of knowledge, is one of Irish folklore's most enduring figures. Known for healing both physical and spiritual wounds, she served as a bridge between the human world and the otherworld, tending to ailments rooted in disharmony with the ace she, otherwise known as the fairies. Gifted with second sight and a deep attunement to the unseen realm, her wisdom was said to come from the otherworld itself. Join me for the second course in Meeting the Gaelic Otherworld series, Bridge to an Unseen Shore, Ban Feasa, Wise Woman, Trauma and Meaning Making. In this course we explore the Ban Feasa as more than just a folk healer. She becomes a guide between conscious and unconscious, rational and imaginal realms. From a Jungian depth psychology perspective, she reflects the wise woman archetype, the inner mediator who helps transform fragmentation into integration, embodying intuition and renewal. She appears in times of transition or wounding, urging us to follow the quiet inner voice that restores balance and wholeness. Drawing on insights from Jungian depth psychology, tales of fairy encounters, Ban Feasa and the Otherworld, this is a unique journey of personal development and discovery, where we deepen connection to our own inner depths, encountering the wisdom of the ancestors and their ways of seeing and being in the world. This course is designed to evoke and stir the senses and imagination, to support you to step into your own authentic life, towards wholeness and authenticity, honouring not just yourself, but the ancestors.